What time did you wake up this morning?
I don't know.
But you've been just sitting here waiting for me to wake up?
Yes, because I'm so excited for the beach house.
I know, me too. All right, let's do it. Let's get ready. Nay, what happened?
My tooth came out.
Smile. Now you've lost your 2 front baby teeth. Oh my goodness.
No, I gotta go find a plastic bag to put this under my pillow at the beach house.
Oh, great idea. I'm going ahead and getting my cold, frozen refrigerator stuff out and packed. I think I'm just gonna call this my carnivore bag because I have steaks, I have ground beef, I have patties, beef patties. Is there something else under here? Oh, butter, Kerrygold butter down there, some Polish sausages, shredded cheese, pastrami, and then I also have these I'm hoping will fit, some more pork sausages. Oh, there's bacon at the bottom, a big frozen thing, like 3-pound pack of bacon. So definitely my carnivore bag. A couple more things I realized I needed to add. Sliced cheese for like sandwichy stuff, and then of course my A2 cream, bring it along for coffee. Still carnivore bag. Autumn's driving us to the beach.
I just need the dress.
Yep.
Who are you?
Renee, if you changed your mind, you can just stay and come with the kids tomorrow.
No!
It's okay. You can get out.
We know
And
you
stay
don't want
home.
to go with us.
No!
We're no fun. All right, car is very packed, and we are headed out. It is very, very windy. Our first stop in the road trip. Where are we going to eat, Renee?
Chipotle?
Renee's favorite is Chipotle. Second stop of the girls' road trip. We got to go to the Coffee Cottage in Newburgh. I haven't been here in years. No, that's the meeting room and drive-through. They have the actual cottage over here.
Open?
Open, that's good.
All right.
Cold brew with heavy cream. We're in McMinnville now and had to stop at this amazing park. My grandparents lived in McMinnville for a long time. Actually, my grandpa still does. My grandma died year and a half ago now. Anyways, they used to take me to this park when I was little. And so since it's right on the way, we decided to stop and let Renee get out and run around a little bit, get some energy out. She looks like a princess in a castle at this park. That's the dragon. Cool, huh? Oh my goodness, the wind is intense. There was this cute farm that we wanted to check out, little farm store. Look at the beautiful flowers. What does what say? Bernard's farm. Of course, Renee's favorite, honey. Yeah. Ooh, fruits and vegetables, nuts. That's so cool. Oh, granola. Yeah, look at that. Oh, I don't know if there's one that looks good. Oh, there's hazelnut granola.
Peanut butter granola.
Peanut butter. You should get hazelnut because we're like near hazelnut fields right now. Lola's granola. Loyla's granola. You want peanut butter?
Wait, what flavors are there?
Oats, coconut, almond, peanuts, honey, cinnamon, vanilla. I like those ingredients. Hazelnuts? I don't know. All right, if the peanut one is the one you want, we'll get that one. I like those ingredients.
Good?
Ooh, look at the syrups. Grandpa Jack's cranberry syrup. Wow. And cranberry concentrate. Apples. Do we need apples? We could get some apples because we didn't bring any fruit. I was going to buy some tomorrow, but we could get some here. There's Honeycrisp and there's a cane, which a cane are really good.
Okay.
I like those. Honeycrisp apples. Jacobs and salt is really good. Ooh, peppercorns. Jacobs and salt tuna.
Do you eat these?
Yeah, those are hazelnuts. You have to crack them first.
I want to try them.
Rosemary.
I want to try them.
Oh, can you turn it over?
Turn it over?
Yeah.
And I can't work.
Okay, and then you have to squeeze these together to see if you can crack it. Here, crack it into this, because this is the holes. Okay, and you gotta get the nut out of the middle, see? Ooh, isn't that cool?
Oh, they put these in our backyard.
These are hazelnuts. Yeah, we had a little hazelnut tree. All right, you want to try it? That's a raw hazelnut. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah? Do you want to get the hazelnut granola instead of the peanut butter granola? It has these kind of nuts in it.
I'm gonna get the bag of them.
Oh, a bag of the nuts?
Yeah.
Sure.
What?
Yeah, you just squeeze it.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. You just shot me. There it is.
Wow.
Renee! We made it, girl!
I need to put on my shoes. I'm gonna go play in the sand the first thing.
Yeah, I do. Because Grammy and Papa are here. Here, I'll hold it. Ah! Okay, go ahead. It is so warm.
I want to take off my shoes.
It is so warm today.
Yeah.
And there's this like little lake over here that Renee wants to go swimming in. But she couldn't wait to get to the sand. She said she couldn't unpack the car first. She had to get out here to the sand first. What do you think? Feels good? It's not warm, but it's not as much like ice as the rest of the ocean. Jellyfish. What is Captain Pegleg wearing?
He's wearing this.
What is it? You know what that
An
is.
apron that Grammy brought.
Grammy's apron. That is too funny. Are you as tall as Captain Pegleg yet? You got to get up a little higher because he's standing on a stump. Stand up. Yeah, you're... Oh, wow. You're getting close.
I think without his hat on, she's about the same height.
I think so. Congratulations, Renee. You're as tall as Captain Pegleg. Oh, you're taller. You're as tall as his hat.
That feels really awkward.
So we made it safe and sound. We're getting settled in, and actually today is supposed to be the hottest day that we are here. Currently it is 87 degrees. That is unheard of for this part of the Oregon coast. So I couldn't let that pass without getting in the ocean. It has been so long since I've gotten in the ocean besides just like one toe because it's so cold. But I felt the urge, so I got Autumn and Renee to come with me, and I got in all the way like to my chest and got to feel the waves a little bit. That was pretty fun. So since I've had my iron infusion, I kind of feel like a new person in regards to cold tolerance. I would not have done that before. I feel like I have a new lease on life in certain things like that. I don't know if it's the cold tolerance or if it's just I feel more adventurous, less anxiety maybe. I don't know. Maybe it's a combination of all that, but I never would have done that before. So that was pretty cool. So we're just going to be relaxing this evening, getting settled in, having a nice first night here. And then tomorrow we'll probably head into town and do our little bit of shopping that we need to do to fill in the last few like perishable things that we needed for while we're here. And we'll probably go to the Tillamook Cheese Factory because got to do that at least once while we're here. And yeah, we'll see what else we feel like doing tomorrow in the big city of Tillamook. That'll be very exciting. Definitely going to bring you guys along. I think I'm going to leave this video here, and I guess I'll see you tomorrow.